Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Samsung Health on Galaxy Watch. Pro tips step by step clearly. To set up Samsung Health on your Galaxy Watch, first, ensure your watch is charged and powered on. Next, swipe up on the home screen to access all your apps. Look for the Samsung Health app. If you haven't set up Samsung Health yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Follow the on-screen instructions to create or log into your Samsung account. Once logged in, you'll see a prompt to allow permissions for health tracking. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions for accurate data collection. Next, you can customize your health settings. Select your preferred units for measurements like steps, weight, and distance. Now, navigate to the settings icon within the Samsung Health app. Here, you can choose which health features you want to track, such as heart rate, sleep, and exercise. Take a moment to turn on notifications for timely reminders and updates. To add more health data, scroll down and tap on Manage Items. Select the activities that you want to monitor regularly. After you've made your selections, return to the main dashboard of the app. You can also sync your Galaxy Watch with the Samsung Health app on your smartphone for a more comprehensive overview. Make sure the watch and phone are connected via Bluetooth. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. From there, select Samsung Health and confirm your settings. After syncing, all your health data will be available on both devices. To explore your activity, simply scroll through the Samsung Health app on your watch. Consider setting goals to stay motivated, such as step counts or exercise frequency. Review your progress regularly to make any necessary adjustments to your fitness routine. By following these steps, you'll have successfully set up Samsung Health on your Galaxy Watch. Enjoy tracking your health and fitness journey with your new wearable companion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.